Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Celsius tip-up. First, gather your Celsius tip-up, fishing line, and your preferred bait. Next, securely attach your fishing line to the tip-up spool, making sure it's wound evenly. Finally, ensure all components are clean and ready for deployment on the ice. This initial preparation is key for a successful fishing experience. Now, let's focus on your line and depth. Spool approximately 50 yards of fishing line onto the tip-up, ensuring it's not too tight. Then, attach a small split shot weight about 6 inches above your hook. This helps your bait sink. Finally, measure the water depth to position your bait correctly, typically a few feet off the bottom for optimal results. With your line ready, it's time to bait and deploy. Carefully hook your live bait like a minnow through the back just behind the dorsal fin. Slowly lower your baited line through the ice hole, watching for any snags. Once at your desired depth, set the flag mechanism so it triggers when a fish pulls the line, indicating a bite. Monitoring your tip-ups is crucial for success. Regularly check for any flag activity, which signals a bite. Also, keep your ice hole clear of slush and prevent it from refreezing, ensuring smooth operation. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Proper maintenance and vigilance will greatly increase your chances of a successful day on the ice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.